Alright, some updates and what I've determined, since reassembling and disassembling a few times. So the gun, it has some built-in limitations, which I'm going to overcome, so don't panic. One is this adapter, this three-way adapter, the two side arms, they go into the clamshells. The bottom arm is the transfer port. But it's only press fit onto the barrel. So when I started running in the high 900s velocity, the air pressure alone would push the barrel out of this plastic adapter, and that's a problem. Can it be solved? Yes. I'll just need some kind of front clamping system, like a barrel band holding it to the tube, so that neither one can shift. This will be locked in here, and then the barrel will be locked to the main tube. So that's one hindrance on the barrel aspect. Another thing is, when you look at this bolt, it's got the magnet, but there's actually no probe on it. So if when you push the bolt forward, it sits about here, you're halfway blocking the flow from the transfer port. So the magnet's nice for BBs, but odds are I'm going to need to chop this off and make a new bolt with a probe that pushes the pellet past the transfer port and keeps the bulky area of the bolt behind the transfer port. So that's another issue. Another issue is this pin right here. Normally, if you look at your 1377 or 2240, your hammer pin is way taller than this. This is only about 1 millimeter proud of the tube. And the reason is that if the gun's jammed in a cocking situation, they don't want you breaking through your plastic slot right there. They prefer that you jump over it, pull the bolt back and this hop over the cocking pin. So that'll need to be addressed too. All these things need to be addressed just to get past, the 1000 FPS mark, basically. Maybe I could push it past 1000 with these things, but to get any higher than that, at least the bolt probe, the pin, no, all three of them need to be addressed. And there's some other obstacles, but nothing is serious. But anyway, just to dive into the mechanics, if anybody else is looking to make a supersonic 760. Anyway, more to come.